Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy summer shrug. So let's get started. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns there, and many of them are free, or on my Etsy site. HectaFavorites is my name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns there. To make this easy shrug, you're just going to work a large rectangle like this. And when the rectangle is finished, you're going to fold it in half, like that. And then we're going to sew a seam here, leaving enough of an opening here for your arms. So on both sides, you'll sew a seam here and here. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. And you're going to start with a slip knot and work a foundation chain that is as long as you would like your shrug to be in an odd number. So that means multiples of 2 plus 1. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to make 2 double crochet in this stitch, like that, and that's going to count as a double crochet, and then 2 more, so that will be 3 double crochet. And then I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to skip 2, so skip 1, 2. In the next stitch, work 1 double crochet, chain 2, skip 2. In the next stitch, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, 1, 2. Skip 2, double crochet in the next stitch. And you're going to repeat that across the row. Chain 2, skip 2, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Like that. So it's 3 double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, 3 double crochet in the same stitch, and then chain 2, skip 2, double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, 3 double crochet. Okay, so that's what that's going to look like all the way across the row. Now for every row it's going to be the same. Turn the work. You're going to have 3 double crochet here, slip stitch in the center stitch, chain 2, and that counts as a double crochet. Make 2 more double crochet in the same stitch, 1 and 2, chain 2, Skip those 2 stitches, double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 2, find the center of that 3 double crochet and work 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, chain 2, skip 2, double crochet in the double crochet. And you're just going to continue that row over and over until the work is long enough that you can have either a sleeveless shrug or short sleeve shrug. So it's like that, and you're just going to keep repeating that same row over and over. And then you're going to fold the work in half, and you're going to sew here and leave enough room so that it will fit on your arm. So I'm going to go ahead with the needle and the same yarn, and I'm going to go ahead and sew down this side, and then I'm going to sew down the other side too. Okay, like that, I've gone ahead and I've sewn this side and this side. And I will show you what it looks like to wear it. To wear it, you're only going to place it like this. You're going to open it up like this and pass your arms through here. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's being worn.